Santo Tonko no Kata, escaping rat method. You've been spotted as a spy and now you've got to get out of danger, right? Now all of these are going to be, they've grabbed you and they're trying to capture you and bring you in. We're going to go to the Hachi Monji no Kamae. So we're here, he grabs, and when he pulls, you're going to pull in 3 times. So 1, 2. On the 3rd one, when he pulls, I'm going to throw a snap kick to the ribs. Go ahead. I kick. I go underneath. Remember, I'm wearing the shuko, so I'm clawing into here. I'll turn, I do the throw, I'll go to the left knee. At that point, as soon as he looks, that's when I distribute the Metsubushi. You don't throw it unless they're looking, right? You also want to make sure when you throw, you put your back to wherever the wind is. I don't want to throw here, and then it comes back at me. So when I throw, I want to also be aware of the element so I can move over here to make the powder throw so wind goes, it floats away from me, right? Okay.